Hello everyone, this is Andrew from Tech Talk. Today I'm going to be showing you how to browse a Mac as a guest. This continues our series on Mac tech tutorials, so if you have any other questions about your Mac, make sure to check out all of our other videos on Tech Talk. So to be able to browse a Mac as a guest, you first have to make sure that you have that setting on. So we're going to go to our settings, that is our system preferences. We can come down here to system preferences or up to the Apple, select that, and down to system preferences. Once you are here, you're going to come down to users and groups. Now we're going to have to unlock this to make sure that we can make all the changes that we need to. So you'll see that I have guest user turned off. So right now we wouldn't be able to browse as a guest. But what I'm going to do is turn that on. So allow guests to log in to this computer. I can enable parental controls as well for that guest, and I can allow guest users to connect to shared folders as well. Once you are set doing that, we are going to restart the computer, or we can log off. So we are going to log off. So once you've logged off or restarted the computer, you'll see now I have an option for a guest user. I'm going to select guest user and log into that guest user. And this is what the guest user profile looks like. You'll see it set up almost like a brand new Mac as well. So it's got this beautiful background right here. Now if you'd like to turn off the guest user profile, you can just reverse the steps that I did as well, but this is how you would browse as a guest on a Mac. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, go ahead and hit that like button. You can also hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our other videos on Tech Talk. Thanks and have a great day.